Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the meaning of the colors in the United States. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to learn the meaning of these colors in English today. Please give it a try. White, white, white. White has an image of pure in the United States. Think of a white wedding. Blue, blue, blue. Blue has an image of truthful. You can see it used in many company logos. Green, green, green. Green has an image of jealousy. In the United States, dollar bills are green. Therefore, money can lead to jealousy. It also has an image of going green. You know, saying the planet is being more eco-friendly. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow has an image of happiness. It's a bright color like springtime. Therefore, people feel happy. Orange, orange, orange. Orange has an image of the sun. Therefore, people feel like summertime, having fun. So we tend to feel fun when we see orange. Red, red, red. Red has an image of excitement. It's a fast color. In the United States, police officers tend to take notice of red cars more. Therefore, red is exciting. Pink, pink, pink. Pink has an image of loving. In the United States on Valentine's Day, many companies have pink heart-shaped chocolates, or we tend to paint the color of our daughter's room pink when we think of pink as a girl's color. Therefore, it's loving. Purple, purple, purple. Purple has an image of mysterious. Think of the late artist Prince. His favorite color was purple. He even wrote a famous song about the color purple. Brown, brown, brown. Brown has an image of friendly. Think of children's teddy bears. They are always brown. Therefore, we think brown is a friendly color. Black, black, black. Black has an image of sadness. We always wear black at funerals. It's a sad time. Therefore, we think of black as sad. We also think of black as a very formal, like a black tie event. It means to wear a tuxedo with a black bow tie, and not a suit with a black necktie. Therefore, black also has an image of being formal. Gray, gray, gray. Gray has an image of neutral. It's between black and white. Therefore, it doesn't have a clear answer. It's neither yes or no. It's more like maybe. We tend to say it in the United States to be a gray man. This means to blend in, be like everyone else, and don't bring unwanted attention to yourself. Therefore, we have an image of gray to be neutral. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay safe everyone. Goodbye.